The air is heavy, thick with the scent of ozone and salt. It is July 2023, and a mid-afternoon thunderstorm has just retreated, leaving the Mariveles Harbor in a state of quiet transition. To the left, the rusted steel of a heavy barge stands motionless. We pivot slightly, finding our path across the churned waters. Below, the sea is a bruised mosaic of green and brown, earth washed down from the hills, meeting the salt of the bay. Scattered across the surface are the silhouettes of industry and survival. Small wooden fishing boats bob in the wake of larger vessels, all framed by the distant, jagged peaks of Epug, still shrouded in the remnants of the storm clouds. Here, in the middle of the expanse, a lone figure sits on a makeshift boat. In the wake of a storm that sent others to seek shelter, he remains, patiently casting a line into the restless, clouded water. As we draw closer to the coast, the gray sky gives way to the vibrant, rain-soaked greens of Key Nalabuhan. The contrast is sharp, the vitality of the land meeting the murky uncertainty of the sea. Nature and mishap meet at the water's edge. A tugboat sits docked against the sharp rocks, while nearby, a massive barge rests where the tide and the winds of the monsoon pushed it aground. Below, the shoreline is alive again. People emerge onto the rocks to see what the tide has brought in, or perhaps just to breathe in the cool, post-storm air. We turn now, leaving the edge of the coast behind. The perspective shifts, revealing the true scale of the landscape. The peaks of Mount Mariveles stand tall in the background, their ridges etched against the heavy sky. As we climb higher, the town unfolds, a dense tapestry of life, nestled between the mountains and the sea. From this height, the scars of the storm fade, replaced by the enduring rhythm of a port town that has seen 1,000 Julys just like this one. The horizon stretches out, a world of deep greens and slate grays. The storm has passed, the water will clear, and the harbor prepares for the evening ahead.